Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am Suhaidah. For today, I'll be doing some haul for you guys. It's from Ayu Apparels. Okay, I think I've gotten a few apparels. I just unwrapped from the packaging. I don't know which one to show. Okay, I'll show this one first. This is Parthena Ruffles navy. Is it called Parthena? So this is how it looks like. I got this in navy. This is how it looked like for the front view, and then this is how it looks like from the back. So there's a button for you to button it up. There's ruffles. I really love the material. I think I can pair it with jeans. I can pair it with palazzo. I can pair it with anything lah. Quite flexible. Okay, so the next thing that I got is Pleats Blouse navy. So yeah. So there's two pleats, one in the front and one at the back. There's a zip at the back for you to, before you masukkan baju kat muka you. This would be very nice for me to use daily, for me to go to work. I can pair it with jeans, palazzo, whatever lah. My style is very simple and I love dark colours, so I won't look fat. So this is the third, apa ni? This is layered pants nude. Oh, okay. Oh, I like the material. Nice. This is what I've been wanting lah. So there's like a split in the front. So it looks like there's kain. And then you macam tak tahu malu, you buka sikit. Okay, slow ah. This is very nice lah. You can pair it with dark color tops, any long sleeve lah. So it will look like a bit relaxed. You can go to the beach. Or if you want to make it formal also can. You can pair it with white, navy or black. Or maybe nude colors. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my fourth. This is pearl beaded blouse in black. Okay, this is very nice. There's tiny details onto it. It's like tiny pearls. And then this is the sleeves. It's like handcuff material lah, whereby you need to button it up. So it looks like a bit formal for you. If for raya also can, you can use your own kain, your own skirt to pair it with this baju. Okay, coming to my fifth. Okay, I choose this one. This is Shimmer round edge shawl in navy. I've never owned any shimmer or glitter shawl before. It feels like, you know, when you pakai, dia macam, it won't be like lembek like how I usually use. This thing will be like very keras, you know. I really love this kind of shawl. And there's like glitters onto it. Can you see? Never mind, you cannot see. Okay, moving forward to my very last item. This is my favorite cotton viscose. Is it viscose or viscose shawl? It's maxi shawl, just like the one I'm using it now. I really love it because like, if sometimes I don't have a bun, even if I do, it will look like very flat on my back. So with this type of material, you can do some tricks to it. You can like make it volume. So it looks like you have thick hair like that lah. But initially I have very thick hair, but I don't know lah, I like to be extra, if you get me. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. So please check them out on their website. It will be www.ayuapparels.com. And also don't forget to follow them on their Instagram at Ayu Apparels. I will leave down every single details in the description box below. So please don't forget to follow them, okay? Hit the button follow. Alright, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For those who are very new, I am very happy to see you guys watching my video. I am Suhaidah, nice meeting you all. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!